Hi everybody, we're going to do a 4-ingredient dump cake, and that's going to be with strawberries. Strawberries and watermelon is probably one of my favorites, but I'm going to read to you what's in it, and then I'm going to put it in the description box below. And look for my iCards on videos up here, up here, up here, and up there. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and please share out my videos. I greatly appreciate it. And if you're not subscribed, hit that bell, ring-a-ding-ding. So here we go. 4-ingredient dump cake. You need 1 box of strawberry cake mix, 8 ounces of fresh strawberries, half. I sent Ray to the grocery store and he brought them home. I wasn't real happy with them. They looked like maybe they were a little chilled, but we're gonna use them because he bought them and it costs money. And I couldn't believe he paid $3. Yeah, $3 for a pound. And this is what he bought. It calls for 8 ounces, but they are the tiniest strawberries I've ever seen. Okay, and then this is a 1/2 cup of melted butter. I'm going to have a little extra melted butter just in case we need it. And you want to spray your pan. And let me see, let me get the yardstick here. Yeah, it's right here. I know folks ask me a lot of times, this is my kitchen yardstick. And you can pull stuff out of the oven right there. I just pull it right out with a rack. And I'm using my favorite pan, and it is 12 inches long and 8 inches wide. It's odd number, but that's my favorite. And then it says you want to preheat your oven at 350. Spray a no stick to your casserole dish, which I've done. Cut them in half. I did that to try to save some time. Cover the bottom dish with strawberries. Sprinkle the cake mix over the top. You can hear Miss Maggie me. She wants to be in it too. You don't have to use all the cake mix, but I'm going to. Pour your melted butter over the top evenly. Bake for 30 minutes until it appears crusty around the edges, and then let it cool for 20 minutes. And then you can top it with whipped cream or ice cream. I'd like to have ice cream, but we don't have any, so I think whipped cream's gonna be what I got if we still have it. So let me bring you down so you can see what's going on. Let's see here. That looks pretty good right there, doesn't it? This is my favorite dish. I absolutely love it. I'm using this. I'm not endorsed by this company at all, but this is the cake box I'm using. Okay, you want to cover it first with strawberries. Maybe you can see these strawberries. My hands are clean, but look how little they are. I mean, these strawberries are tiny. So we're gonna cover the bottom with the strawberries. There, just like that. Now, I don't know if these are 8 ounces, but it says 8 ounces, but these strawberries need to be used, so I'm using them up. They're so itty. I mean, look how tiny this is. I like Plant City strawberries from Florida. We haven't seen them, or I don't go in the grocery store right now, but I have not seen any anywhere. Let me wipe my hands here. Okay, so we've got that. Now we're gonna sprinkle the cake mix over the top. Just like this. It's hard to believe this comes out so good. I've done one before, but not strawberry. I don't believe I have anyways. Just in case some of you all don't know, I know I got a lot of new subscribers. I had a head injury in 2000. Yeah, 2000. And it left me with a lot of permanent damage. And I do get forgetful at times. And I have seizures, and the seizures were brought on because of my accident. So if I stumble or something sometimes, it's because I have no control of it. My brain, it just sometimes doesn't want to work. But that's okay. It is what it is. Now I'm gonna smooth this out, just like this. I'm even using an offset spatula, just like this. I think my Maggie May finally found something to make her quiet. Just like that. Like I said, you don't have to use all the cake mix, but what am I gonna do? Make another one and hold on to this and maybe it'll get stale? Nah, I'm not gonna do that. So after we do that, we wanna pour the melted butter over the top evenly. And I don't know about you, but I'm not always evenly. I'm trying. Just like this. I hope everybody's having a great day today. Here in Maine, I went to see my parents, and coming home, it said it was 25 degrees. This morning it was down very, I'm not sure, double digits, but very low. Okay, I have some extra butter. Let me get it out of the microwave. Just like this. Well, it wasn't quite done yet, so I'm just gonna wait a second and we can talk. Has anybody made a dump cake before? And if you have, what flavor did you make? Now I'm gonna put this in the oven and we're gonna have it tonight. And if anybody didn't see my video on meatless chili, we're having that tonight, and I decided I'm gonna make tortillas, flour tortillas, and roll the meatless chili up in it, and this will be dessert. Okay, here we go. That didn't take long, and if you don't have a microwave, you can just put a couple of bowls, like a pot on the stove and a bowl inside, and make sure it's got water in it, and then set whatever you want on top. Well, this ought to make it really good and cover it nicely, I hope. Now, I'm going to take the offset spatula. Just going to go like this. Cover everything real good like it says. And I'll put it in the oven at 350. And then I'm going to bring you back and show you how yummy it came out. It's gonna, like I said, cover it all like it says, just like this. I'm also going to do a collaboration for Valentine's Day, and if anybody is interested in doing this collab, please let me know in the comments down below, and I will tell you what it's going to be about. I do have a gal already that wants to be in it, so anyways, I'm just gonna play with this and make sure it's covered really well. I think you get the gist of it. And I'm just gonna cover this and put it in the oven at 350, and I'll bring you back. Okay folks, here it is. Doesn't this look really, really yummy? It's still a little warm, and I'm still going to dish myself up just a little bit. I just got a call from Mr. R, and he's gonna be really late. But we're gonna take a little taste. So I'm gonna bring you down. Plus I'm very, very tired. Here we go. Let me see if I just bring this like this. Yeah, I think I like it up better. Oh, my glasses on, so it's a little hard for me to see. There, I have a little dish here. And we're gonna take some out. Ho, ho, ho. Look at this, nice and brown on the bottom. I'm gonna have to put my glasses back on because I can't see a darn thing. Okay, this looks really good. More than I should be eating. And let me see here. And I got some whipped heavy cream I'm gonna put on it. Squirt some out here. Hasn't been used for a while. Look at that. Yum. Okay, I'm gonna bring you up. Better put my hands, make sure we got 2 hands here. 2 hands to bring you up. Okay, let's see how this is gonna taste. It's still a little warm. Looks really good. Look at that strawberry. The house smells really good too. This is really yummy. Oh yeah. So good. I'll have everything in the description box below. It's so good, I want to eat more. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. You never know what's going to be on my video. Stay safe, stay warm, stay healthy. God bless, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye now.